What's up, YouTube audience? Again, we are continuing the live stream. I'm Huzaifa from Scalar Learning, and we're continuing these SAT Khan Academy math problems. And what's up, Instagram, my Instagram audience? Again, same thing. Right now, we are solving SAT Khan Academy problems live, and today we're going to be doing a category called operations with polynomials. So that's what we're tackling today. If you actually want to see the problems being solved on Instagram, you got to jump on my YouTube channel, go to YouTube, search for Scalar Learning, and you can see this right now. You can see me solving the problems. You can follow along and try yourself. I know my hair is a little crazy. Sorry, just took a shower and it's time. Got to do it. Got to shoot the video. So it is what it is. All right, let's go ahead to the share screen here on YouTube. Again, Instagram, you won't be able to see this. And we're going to jump into the problems right here. Operations with polynomials. All right. Again, as I always say, I'm doing these for the first time, which is part of the fun. Never seen them before, so we kind of solve them side by side. And let's see, what time is it right now? Ooh, I got a bunch of problems in here. This guy? Yeah, I think it's this guy. All right, question one. Let's make sure it's the same one. Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's begin. So it says, what is the sum of 3b times b minus 4 and 6 times b minus 8? What is the sum? In order to calculate the sum, we got to distribute everything first and kind of sum it together. At least that's my strategy. So 3b times b minus 4. So what happens there? And over here we got plus 6 times b minus 8, right? This guy distributes here and here. So we get 3b squared minus 12b. This guy distributes here and here. And we get plus 6b minus 48, right? It goes to that negative 8. Now we have two like terms right here we can combine. So we got 3b squared minus 6b minus 48. Okay. And now it looks like in all these answers they factor something out. I can already tell we could factor a 3 out of everything, but that's about it. We can't factor a b out because there's only b in 2 of the terms, not all 3. So I'm going to factor the 3 out. We'll have b squared left. We'll have, since we're factoring a 3 out of 6, we'll have a 2 left, 2b. And we're factoring a 3 out of 48 leaves us a 16, or negative 16 in this case, left. This is our final answer. And it's not this guy because that has a 16b. It's not this guy, no b squared, no b squared. So it's c, this guy. And it's exactly what we have right here. These guys are the same. Let's go ahead and enter c for our answer. And it is correct. Excellent. Okay, cool. Let's check this one out. Number 2. Let me move this to here. Alrighty. These are a little bit, I'm finding these a little bit easier than the problems we did yesterday. Okay. Boom. Number 2, we've got 4x cubed minus 5x plus 8x minus 3x cubed. So again, I'm going to take the parentheses away because parentheses are kind of like, I call them like jail cells, like prison bars, and you have to evaluate whatever's on the outside of them first, but there's nothing multiplying these guys. There's no like person on the outside of the jail cell that needs to jump in and rescue them. So it's just literally we take them away. So I'm just going to remove and say 4x cubed minus 5x plus 8x minus 3x cubed. No need for them. Now we got like terms here and here. 4x cubed plus a negative 3x cubed gives us just x cubed. And then we got a negative 5x positive 8x combined to become positive 3x. That's it. That was a pretty fast one. Let's make sure I didn't miss anything. And I believe it's right here. It's just a. So literally all we're doing is combining like terms in this problem. Very straightforward. Wait, what did I say the answer was? Yeah, A. Let's see if that is correct, and it is. Number 3. Here we go with number 3. Loading this up. Let's see, I got Instagram people watching. So on Instagram, again, check out my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Scalar Learning. You can see the actual problems being solved. You can know what's going on. I'm not just talking about a bunch of crazy numbers and variables. Okay, now we got 3c minus 4c squared plus c cubed. Again, it's the same idea. For this first one, I'm going to remove the parentheses because there's nothing happening there. But this second part's a little interesting. I'm going to leave the parentheses for now because I got to show you this is a common mistake that people make. They miss what's going down when you have a minus sign like this. This minus is really a -1. Okay, just imagine a -1. So it's a -1 is actually multiplying this whole thing. So we got to distribute that here, here, and here. So now we got 3c minus 4c squared plus c cubed minus 5c squared minus 8c cubed plus 6c. And then it's the same thing. Then we're just going to look at common terms. So let's first combine, let's do c cubed first because they have c cubed at the beginning as the first term here. So we got a positive c cubed, negative 8c cubed. That becomes a negative 7c cubed. Let's cross these guys out. Then we have a negative 4c squared and a negative 5c squared. Those combine to a negative 9c squared, right? We're adding because they're both negative, so we just combine them like that. These guys can cross off now. And then we've got a 3c and a 6c combines to a 9c. And this is basically it. And if we can see, I believe this is D, right? These guys are the exact same. Let me just make sure. This one is wrong because there's just a c squared, c squared. This one's wrong because it's a negative 3c. It's a 9c. So D is our answer. I think that looks good. Let's give it a shot. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. Let's try this next one here. All right. 3 done. So you can tell if you guys watched the video yesterday, these are definitely easier, faster problems to solve. Yesterday took quite a bit longer. All right. It says which of the following is the same idea, and we just got to distribute this negative with the same principle. Distribute it there, there, and there. So I'm going to just go ahead and do this in one step. We got 8r to the 4th plus 4r squared plus 2r. And then that minus is going to distribute. It's going to be minus 8r to the 4th minus 4r squared minus 1. And again, let's see what we can do here. Let's do the largest exponent, largest degree first. Look at that. We got the 8r to the 4th and a negative 8r to the 4th. Those guys should go away. Then we got a positive 4r squared, a negative 4r squared. Those guys cancel out. And then we got a 2r minus 1 left. That's it. A lot of cancellation there. So that's actually pretty straightforward. We got C as our final answer. Good. Good to go. Let's do this last one. Clear the board. See if this one tends to be, usually the 5th one tends to be a little bit more difficult, but let's take a look. Not always the case. All right, what is the product of the, okay, well, I don't know. It's a few more steps because now we're going to be foiling instead of just adding. So product is multiplication, of course. We got x plus 1. So let's go ahead and FOIL. That means first, outer, inner, last. So what's x times x? That's x squared plus what's x times 1? That's x plus 6 times x. That's plus 6x. And then plus 6 times 1 plus 6. Almost there. We got to combine the like terms right there. So we got x squared plus 7x plus 6. This one is almost right, but it's missing that middle term. And then these two are way off. So A is our final answer. Let's give A as our answer. Boom, we got it correct. All right, excellent. Let me go back to my non-shared screen here. Stop sharing. Okay, cool. So there you have it. Operations with polynomials. Hope you found that interesting. Hope you found that useful. And again, if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely put them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more SAT and all sorts of tutorials, math, music videos, lots of fun stuff coming your way. And these math tutorials on Khan Academy are going to come every day, Monday through Friday. So make sure to check back for that, especially if you're preparing for the SAT. And if you have any questions, you can always email me directly at huzaifa@scalarlearning.com as well. So thank you guys in YouTube land for watching. Thank you guys on Instagram for watching as well. And that's it. See you guys next time. Take it easy.